Antarctica. There was Billy and there was Alex.
Oh, what's up, dude?
I'm so cold.
Yeah, we're in Antarctica. What do you expect?
I want to go home.
Well, why don't we just do something to keep our mind off of the cold?
Okay, what do we do?
Let's build a snowman.
So they started to build a snowman.
Sweet! Alright, just make the bottom,
The middle.
and the head.
I'll give a carrot nose
2 little pieces of coal for the eyes.
and a banana for the mouth. How about a happy face?
How about a sad face?
How about a disgusted face? Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, a meteor came out of the sky and hit the snowman.
What's that?
Meteor!
Ah!
And the snowman came to life.
Hello?
Hello? I'm Billy.
I'm Alex. I'm Frosty.
Now this snowman was not the snowman that you would think.
Soon, you two will be destroyed.
It was an evil snowman.
Give him a snow belly.
Anytime I break dance, why don't we stop people in their tracks?
All right, break dance.
So he started breaking. It didn't work.
Wait, I got it. Let's have a snowball fight with it.
But throwing snowballs only made Frosty get bigger.
Now I'm a giant snowman.
Dude, the only thing that can stop a snowman is fire.
That's right. I've got my Boy Scout lighter right here.
You're fired.
And Frosty was defeated.
Quick, let's get out of here.
It's melting. It's melting.
I don't feel so good. I'm melting. Oh, what a world! Soon I shall be a
And that's Frosty the